You got a little sticky there, dude. Everything you hear is clapping and slapping and just breaking apart. Whoa, a little loud. Your door? I'm sure you're getting some beating on it. Woo. Wow. So what's your name real quick and what's in here, man? Ruben, okay.
Yeah, Ruben Hernandez. 812, 470, 7500.
Okay.
It's been like maybe 5 years with the same build.
Same build.
Yeah.
There's a 6-cylinder in the back. What's the cubic space tuning?
I don't remember.
You don't remember? All good? All good?
100 margin.
Okay. Yeah. Half of them each? What about your power, battery power and all? Okay. Nice. Whoa. You built this?
Yep.
Very nice, man. And you were a 4th order before, now you're 6th.
Yeah.
How do you like it?
More than 6.
You like the 6 more? Better bandwidth too?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I can play more lower, high, everything.
What you know about rolling down in the deep? When your brain goes numb, you can call that mental freeze. When these people talk too much, put that shit in slow motion, yeah. I feel now in a drought, no flow rain, cause I'm pouring down. See that famous all around, see my moves kinda lounge. Didn't know which way to turn. Flow is cool, but I still feel burned. Energy up, you gon' feel my surge. I'ma kill everything like this bird.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.
She say that I'm cool. She say that I'm cool. That's true. She say that I'm cool.
You got a little sticky there, dude. Everything you hear is clapping and slapping and just breaking apart. That's crazy, man. Thank you for the demo. Wow.
Anytime.
Woo. Man, your door, I'm sure you're getting some beating on it.